everyone, and welcome back. We have a little tutorial for you on Youzign. So, as I mentioned before, Youzign is kind of like Canva, where you can build lots of things like thumbnails and, well, let's go check it out. Here I am in Youzign, and here's how you can get started. Enter your email address and get started for free. Free forever. Create all your visuals, including 3D mockups. There's just so much you can do. Special offer, get Z Suite lifetime access for a one-time price. Of course, they have this kind of countdown thing going on here. Simply put, if you skip this offer, you'll have to pay way more for less. All right, let's just keep going. Look at all that you can make with Youzign. And as I mentioned before, Youzign easily integrates with Groove. All right, hopefully I'm not going too fast for you, but you can kind of see all the many things that you can do with Youzign. That's it, friends. So they kind of show you the different things that you can do with Youzign versus other companies. So like Canva Pro, My eCover Maker. I don't really know what all of these are. Place it, Frontify, but you can see how much you'd be saving, but I'm not here to sell you on Youzign. We can use the free right now, and that was what I was going for. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that take me to the free base lifetime member area. I will pay more later. Does that make anybody feel guilty? How about Kasie.Oswald? And then my email, Kasie.Oswald@gmail, and then my password. All right, so make an account super easy. I don't need one right now. I'm going to just make a quick little design just to show you how easy it could be. You can pick from all of these. You see Instagram, Pinterest, maybe YouTube thumbnail. It gives you all of the sizes that you need. The colors are just as easy as this. Click on them. You can change the color. Graphics, text, all of those fun things. So maybe I need some emoticons. Oh, I think it's very like happy and fun kind of thing. So let's see. Good. I'm gonna call this Youzign. Oops. Youzign tutorial. I guess I always want it to be like Groove and have it capital in the middle, but it's not. So, all right, so super easy. Just adding a little bit of things to it. You can see some filters, uploads. I don't have anything uploaded yet. You can change your background. You can make a border. Super simple. Can't really see my border so well, but there we go. So just something easy. Now I am going to move my picture out of the way, and I'm going to download this one as a PNG. Original size should work for me. Okay, so I have just made something in Youzign, something just super duper quick. I'm going to head back to my Groove. I'm going to head back to my Groove and go to Groove Pages. All right, so I'm here at the thank you page. I'm just going to choose one really quick. And this is Youzign tutorial. Ooh. Now I just added as Youzign tutorial. It's going to open up the builder. And I'm going to go and click. I just want to find a picture. Click on it to configure. You're going to choose image. And I have not yet linked Youzign. Okay, everyone. So here I am in Groove Pages. And I'm just going to show you how to integrate Youzign. So I'm going to go over here to My Integrations, Add Integration, Integration Type, and all the way down you'll see Youzign. If you don't see it, you might have, something open at the bottom and it's covering it, because that happened to me for quite a while. So click on Youzign. And I need to go and get my API key and my token from Youzign. Okay, everyone, so I just went to Youzign, to the account that I made previously at the very beginning of this video. I went to my account, and that's where I found my API keys and my token. I used the public key and just copied it and pasted it. Make sure you toggle left and right arrow. And then again, the token, toggle left to right arrow if it doesn't turn pink. As soon as the pink update turns pink, just click the update. So let's see what it looks like now. Ta-da! Successful. I have Youzign. So I'm going to exit out of here. Now, I just opened up a random page so that I could take a look to see how Youzign works. So I'm going to click on an image. I'm going to go to Configure and choose Image. Now you see, I now have my files. I have free stock photos, and I have Youzign. Now, for Youzign, I've only made one little silly thing, but I haven't put it in here yet or anything. But I just thought that was kind of funny. So I can have new integrations now. Super exciting. All right, so now you can go make things in Youzign and then upload them straight to Groove. Super fun, super colorful. Have a little bit of fun in your business. Enjoy. And that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this little bonus, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody. Thanks.